So my name is Oscar, and I'm studying a master's in intellectual property and information law at the University of Aberdeen. It's a one-year course, and it has brought me closer to what I want to achieve in my career, which is working in the IP industry. So I'm thrilled to be studying this course, and I look forward to seeing what the future brings. So I reached out to a career service organization that, they help you find schools, and it was quite helpful because when they sent me a list of the schools and I went through University of Aberdeen, I saw what they offered in terms of the stature of the school and the broad nature of the courses they offer, and as well, the way the city is. So I was quite intrigued. As well, I think what intrigued me the most was the employability of the school offered to students, which is, I think, besides the education aspect, is also very important to students. So that kind of made up my mind on, wanting to come here. I'm from Nigeria, and I've lived in Nigeria most of my life. So I did my undergraduate degree at Babcock University. It was kind of an introductory phase into what I was going to do in my life. So I had a good experience at Babcock, and after that period, I had a time where I was working in the legal field, in mostly litigation. Then after a while, I had a small internship at a law firm where I gained some IP experience, which kind of sealed my mind. And prior to working at that firm, I had also worked on some entertainment contracts, for artists. So I'm very interested in the music, entertainment, movie industry. And, those experiences kind of shaped my mind, into wanting to do an LLM in IP. From the point on when I reached out to my recruiter and I went through the university, I was impressed at the promptness of response the school gave back to me. They offered, some kind of discount and scholarship to international students, which can be helpful because not everyone has the resources to come abroad. So that was really, I think, a good approach from the university to, encourage more people to come. And, I've also heard from people that schooled here, and they kind of encouraged me this is a really good school. So it kind of made up my mind to come here. So over the course of my time here from September, I've taken on intellectual property and patents. I've taken on state control hydrocarbons, and then currently this semester I'm taking a course on trademarks and also international cybersecurity. And I would say the most interesting one I have done in my course because of my time here is intellectual property and patents, because IP is my key interest, because it covers a wide range of sectors that I would want to work in, particularly music, movies, entertainment. So I was particularly interested in that course, and I gave my all during that course. And this semester I'm learning more about trademarks, and it's given me a keen insight in particular to how trademarks is important for brands, to stand out, in a very commercial market we are in now. So trademarks are really important to protect brands. So I found it very interesting doing that course. During the course of my time trying to make up my mind on coming here, I had spoken to the head of the international students office, Ron, and he kind of gave me prompt feedback on every kind of challenge I had, and he also gave me an insight on the schools. And as well, I also reached out to an alumni of the school, and she was quite encouraging, with my program, and she gave me a lot of advice. I think Aberdeen is a beautiful city. It's very friendly. The people here are very nice and very warm and approachable. There are a lot of activities to do. I would say the Aberdeen Sports Village is a great place to start because, you get to, work out, and there are other recreational activities. Union Street is a nice place to, to go out and, find new things to do. And there's the museum, there are nice restaurants and bars for you to have fun. Joining a community is really important, societies, church. You will meet people that, that kind of fits your lifestyle and, what you want to do. So I would say Aberdeen is a really nice place, and you will meet someone if you have a warm and good approach and you want to interact with people. So yeah, if I would describe my experience in Aberdeen in 3 words, I would say fun, intellectually stimulating, and adventurous.